Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Mirzan and I am pleased to present my analysis of the strategic merger between Leo Cinema and Just. This project undertaken for Leo focuses on understanding the performance and user behavior of both platforms over the past year. Today, I'll be sharing key insights and outcomes that will inform the strategic direction of this merger, ultimately aiming to create a leading OTT platform in the Indian market. We'll begin with a brief introduction and outline the problem statement, setting the stage for our analysis. We'll then define the objectives of this study, followed by a walkthrough of an interactive dashboard we have developed. Next, we'll delve into the primary and secondary research questions that guided our analysis. We'll conclude with our key recommendations and a summary of our findings. Let's begin with a quick introduction. Leo is a major telecommunications provider in India, boasting a large subscriber base and a history of innovative services. They also operate Leo Cinema, their own streaming platform, which has garnered a specific significant audience. On the other hand, Jotstar is a prominent streaming service in India, renowned for its extensive and diverse content library, offering a wide range of regional, national, and international shows and movies. The strategic merger we are analyzing aims to combine Leo Cinema's strong subscriber base with Jotstar's rich content, creating a dominant OTT platform in the Indian market. Now, let's address the core problem that this analysis aims to solve. As you can see, Leo Telecommunications is preparing for a strategic merger with Jotstar, a leading streaming platform, with the goal of dominating India's OTT market. To ensure this merger is successful, Leo's management recognized the critical need to deeply understand the performance and user behavior of both platforms over the past year. Specifically, they need insights into subscriber growth, content preferences, user engagement, periods of inactivity, and subscription trends like upgrades and downgrades. This analysis will provide the data-driven foundation necessary for a smooth and successful integration. So, what were the specific goals of this analysis? The primary objective was to provide Leo's management with actionable insights into the performance and user behavior of both Leo Cinema and Jotstar. We aim to achieve this by thoroughly examining key We aim to achieve this by thoroughly examining key factors such as subscriber growth, content consumption patterns, user engagements, and subscription trends. Ultimately, this study is designed to guide post-merger strategies, enabling Leo to optimize content offerings, enhance user retention, and successfully position the merged Lio-Jotstar platform as the leading OTT service in India. To visualize our findings, we have developed an interactive dashboard that allows for dynamic exploration of the data. This dashboard presents the combined key performance indicators for both Jotstar and Leo Cinema. Together, They offer a total of 4,000 content items to 228,000 total users. Of those, 111,000 are paid subscribers, representing 48.7% of the total user base. We see 139,000 active users, which is 61% of the total, while 89,000 users or 39% are inactive. Looking at the subscription changes, 6,000 users upgraded, a 2.51% increase, and 16,000 downgraded, a 6.9% decrease. These platforms combined have amassed 26.73 million total watch hours, with an average watch time of 47.34 hours per user, and have experienced a 23.9% user growth. These metrics provide a consolidated view of the overall performance of both platforms combined, crucial for understanding the potential impact of the merger. Here we see Jotstar's key performance indicators. Jotstar offers 2,000 content items to 45,000 total users. Of those, 33,000 are paid subscribers, representing a strong 72.9% conversion rate. The platform boasts 38,000 active users, or 85.1% of their total user base, indicating high engagement. Conversely, only 7,000 users, or 14.9%, are inactive. We see 2,000 users upgraded, a 3.42% increase, and 5,000 downgraded, an 11.14% decrease. Jotstar has accumulated 15.69 million total watch hours with an impressive average watch time of 117.24 hours per user, and has achieved a 23.9% user growth. These metrics highlight Jotstar's strong performance, particularly in user engagement and paid subscriptions. Here we have the key performance indicators for Lio Cinema. Lio Cinema offers 1,000 content items to a total of 183,000 users. Of those, 78,000 are paid subscribers, representing 42.8% of the user base. The platform has 101,000 active users, which is 55.1% of the total, while 82% the platform has 101,000 active users, which is 55.1% of the total, while 82,000 users, or 44.9%, are inactive. To end, 3,000 users upgraded, a 1.52% increase, and 11,000 users downgraded, a 5.75% decrease. Lio Cinema has accumulated 11.03 million total watch hours with an average watch time of 25.61 hours per user, and has experienced a 23.9% user growth. These metrics provide a clear picture of Lio Cinema's performance, highlighting areas of strength and potential improvement. Building on the KPIs, the total users by month chart shows steady growth peaking in recent months. The content type chart highlights movies as the dominant content. Paid users are concentrated in Tier 1 and 2 cities. The 25 to 34 age group is the largest user segment. Finally, the subscription chart shows free plans are most popular, followed by basic and premium. These visuals provide deeper insights into user trends and content preferences. Jotstar offers 2,000 content items to 45,000 users, with 33,000 paid. The users by month chart shows consistent growth, while the content type chart highlights movies as the majority at 50%, followed by series and sports. Paid users are concentrated in Tier 1 cities as shown by the city tier chart. The 25 to 35 age group is the largest user segment. Finally, the subscription chart shows VIP plans are most popular, followed by premium and free plans, providing insights into Jotstar's specific user trends. Comparing Leo Cinema to Jotstar, we see Leo Cinema has a larger user base at 183,000 but fewer content items at 1,000. User growth is evident, similar to Jotstar. However, Leo Cinema's content is highly skewed towards movies at 72% compared to Jotstar's 50%. Paid users are concentrated in Tier 2 cities for Leo Cinema, unlike Jotstar's Tier 1. Like Jotstar, the 25 to 34 age group dominates. However, Leo Cinema's most popular plan is free, followed by basic, indicating a different user engagement strategy compared to Jotstar's VIP preference. This dashboard presents the overall performance of both platforms. We see a combined revenue of 15 million rupees with 228,000 total users. There were 6,000 upgrades and 16,000 downgrades, resulting in an average watch time of 47.34 hours. Revenue is strongest among 25 to 34 age group. Upgrade and downgrade trends fluctuate monthly, peaking in July. Fee subscriptions are most popular, followed by basic. Mobile devices dominates watch time at 71.49 hours, highlighting mobile consumption habits. This dashboard provides a consolidated view of key metrics and trends for both platforms combined. This dashboard presents Jotstar's performance. They generated 8 million rupees in revenue with 45,000 users. There were 2,000 upgrades and 5,000 downgrades. And the average watch time is a high 117.24 hours. Revenue is strongest among the 25 to 34 age group. Upgrade and downgrade trends shows a consistent decline in upgrades and a gradual decline in downgrades over the months. VIP subscriptions are most popular, followed by premium. Mobile devices dominate watch time at 176.06 hours, indicating a strong mobile-first user base. Comparing Leo Cinema to Jotstar, we see Leo Cinema has a significantly larger user base at 183,000 but lower revenue at 7 million rupees. Leo Cinema has more downgrades than Jotstar and a much lower average watch time of 25.61 hours compared to Jotstar's 117.24. Leo Cinema's revenue is also concentrated in the 25 to 34 age group, similar to Jotstar. However, Leo Cinema's most popular plan is free, contrasting with Jotstar's VIP preference. Mobile watch time is significantly low for Leo Cinema at 46.05 hours compared to Jotstar's 176.06, indicating different user engagement patterns. Next, our analysis was guided by key primary and secondary research questions to understand the merger's potential. This chart compares active and inactive user trends between Jotstar and Leo Cinema. Jotstar shows relatively consistent active user numbers with minimal fluctuation and low inactive users. In contrast, Leo Cinema demonstrates a significant growth trend in both active and inactive users, especially in the later months, indicating a rapidly expanding user base but also a growing number of inactive accounts. Jotstar's user base is more stable while Leo Cinema is experiencing rapid expansion with potential engagement challenges. Here, Jotstar offers a more balanced content mix with 50% movies, 35% series, and 15% sports. Leo Cinema heavily favors movies at 72% with only 24% series and 4% sports. Drilling down into the movie content, Jotstar shows a broader language distribution including English, Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil, indicating a wider regional and potential international reach. Leo Cinema's movie content focuses primarily on regional languages like Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, and Hindi, suggesting a stronger emphasis on regional audiences. Essentially, Jotstar offers a more diverse content portfolio catering to a broader audience, while Leo Cinema specializes in movie content with a specific focus of regional language viewers. In this case, Jotstar's paid user base is heavily concentrated in Tier 1 cities with 20,000 users and significantly fewer in Tier 2 and Tier 3. In contrast, Leo Cinema's paid users are predominantly in Tier 2 cities with 32,000 users and a substantial presence in Tier 3 as well. This indicates Jotstar's strength in major metropolitan areas, while Leo Cinema has a wider reach across smaller cities and towns. The percentage at the bottom shows the proportion of paid users in the highlighted tier relative to the total number of paid users in each platform, which is showing that Tier 1 for Jotstar is 100% of the bar shown, but only 13.9% of the total paid users. For Leo Cinema, Tier 2 is 100% of the bar shown and 71.4% of the total paid users. Here, both Jotstar and Leo Cinema shows the 25 to 34 age group as the most engaged one. However, the distribution across other age groups differs. Jotstar shows a steeper decline in engagement for older age groups, while Leo Cinema's decline is more gradual. Looking at subscription plans, Jotstar's 25 to 34 age group predominantly favors VIP subscriptions with a sharp drop for other plans. In contrast, Leo Cinema's 25 to 34 age group In contrast, Leo Cinema's 25 to 34 age group primarily uses free subscriptions followed by basic and premium, indicating different monetization strategies. Jotstar focuses on high-value subscribers within the key age group, while LeoCinema aims for broader user acquisition through free access. When we talk about the revenue trends, both Jotstar and LeoCinema see the 25 to 34 age group as their highest revenue generator. However, Jotstar's revenue is more evenly distributed across age groups compared to LeoCinema, which shows a significant spike in revenue for the 18 to 24 and 25 to 34 age groups the later months, especially in October and November. This indicates LeoCinema's aggressive growth strategy and potential seasonal promotions. Jotstar's revenue remains relatively stable, suggesting a more consistent user base. The strong surge in LeoCinema's revenue in the latter months suggests a possible successful marketing push or content release that significantly boosted viewership. Here, Jotstar shows a consistent decline in both upgrades and downgrades throughout the year, suggesting a stabilizing subscriber base with fewer changes. In contrast, LeoCinema exhibits significant fluctuations with a notable surge in downgrades around July, followed by a peak in upgrades in October and November. This indicates potential issues with subscription plan satisfaction or pricing for LeoCinema, followed by successful promotional efforts or content releases that drove upgrades later in the year. Jotstar's stability contrasts sharply with LeoCinema's volatility, suggesting different user engagement and retention strategies. Here, for Jotstar, the 25 to 34 age group shows the highest number of upgrades and downgrades, with a clear preference for VIP subscriptions after the drill down. LeoCinema, on the other hand, shows a more dispersed patterns across the age groups, with the 18 to 24 and 25 to 34 groups showing higher activity. After the drill down, LeoCinema's upgrades and downgrades are concentrated in the free and basic subscription plans. This suggests Jotstar's upgrade or downgrade activity is driven by premium users in the key demographic, while LeoCinema's activity is more influenced by users on free or low tier plans. This suggests Jotstar's upgrade or downgrade activity is driven by premium users in the key demographic, while LeoCinema's activity is more influenced by users on free or lower tier plans, reflecting different user acquisition and retention strategies. Here, drilling down into Jotstar's VIP subscribers, we take the 25 to 34 age group dominates, with a strong concentration in Tier 1 cities. In contrast, drilling down into LeoCinema's premium subscribers, the 18 to 25 age group is the largest, with a more balanced distribution across Tier 1, 2 and 3 cities. This highlights Jotstar's reliance on a specific age group and urban market for its premium service, while LeoCinema's premium users are more diverse in age and location. When we see about the watch time, Jotstar's mobile watch time is significantly higher than LeoCinema's at 238.5 hours versus 46.05 hours. Drilling down, Jotstar's mobile users in Tier 1 cities have the highest average watch time at 242.41 hours, while Leo Cinema's mobile users across all tiers have considerably low watch times, with Tier 1 at 66.94 hours. This highlights a stark difference in mobile engagement, with Jotstar users spending significantly more time on mobile devices, especially in major cities, compared to Leo Cinema users. Based on our analysis, we have developed key recommendations to maximize the success of the Lio-Jotstar merger. Firstly, prioritize user engagement. This means investing in features that makes the platform more interactive and engaging, such as interactive content, community features, or personalized recommendations to reduce inactivity and increase user retention. Secondly, we recommend optimizing the content strategy. This involves diversifying the content offerings to cater to a wide audience, leveraging the strengths of each platform's existing content library to attract specific demographics. For example, combining Jotstar's diverse regional content with Leo Cinema's larger movie catalog. Next, we suggest refining subscription plans. This means offering a variety of subscription tiers with different price points and features to meet the diverse needs and budgets of users. For instance, introducing family plans, student discounts, or specialized content bundles. These strategies will help maximize user satisfaction and drive the success of the merged Lio-Jotstar platform. Continuing our recommendations, we move to the fourth point, targeted marketing and analysis. This means utilizing data-driven marketing campaigns based on user demographics, preferences, and location. By tailoring marketing efforts to specific user segments, the merged platform can maximize its reach and effectiveness. The fifth recommendation is to improve the user experience. This involves investing in enhancing the user experience across all devices and platforms. This includes optimizing the user interface, improving navigation, and ensuring seamless streaming quality across all devices. A positive user experience is crucial for user retention and satisfaction. Finally, the sixth and last recommendation is community building. This means fostering a sense of community by creating opportunities for users to connect and interact with each other. This can be achieved through features like watch parties, forums, and social media integration. Building a strong community can enhance user engagement and loyalty. These strategies will further contribute to the success of a Lio-Jotstar merger. Finally, to wrap up, our analysis showed us key things about Leo Cinema and Jotstar users. We learned about what they like to watch, how they use the platforms, and how much money they bring in. Both platforms are growing, but we noticed a lot of users aren't active, which means we need to get them more interested. To fix this, we suggest offering more kinds of shows and movies, creating better subscription options, using targeted ads, and improving the overall experience. By doing all these, Leo Cinema and Jotstar can grow even stronger together. Finally, we need to keep watching the data to make sure we stay successful in the long run. Thank you very much.